Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be playing with new makeup. Okay, why am I orange? Don't ever. I haven't purchased makeup since probably December. Yeah, since probably December I haven't ordered anything. Like nothing, no Sephora, no Ulta, no nada. Like nada. So I got the JACLYN Volume 2 palette, and I didn't get just one, I got two. So I got two because I wanted, you know, obviously you guys to have one, and I haven't been here in a while, so you know I had to do a giveaway. Just had to do a freaking giveaway. So this is the giveaway right here. I will let you guys know in the video the rules and how to enter and all that stuff. So I got the Bretman Rock collection. You guys, Wet n Wild played the fuck out of me. They played me. So I had purchased the palette, you know, the whole collection, the palette, the highlighter, the brushes, and all that stuff, and the only thing I got were these Wet n Wild. You did me dirty. You did me dirty. All right, so we're just gonna get started because I have all this sitting down and I only have 2 batteries for this camera for this video, so I'm just gonna get started. First of all, I need to tie my freaking hair back because this hair just ain't it. So I'm just gonna prep my eyes. I'm gonna be using the ColourPop concealer. This is in the shade number 12 Light. So I haven't been wearing makeup that much, so I haven't been recording as much, and I haven't been posting. What the fuck are you? What? Bitch, focus. So you guys know, like right here, I've been wearing my glasses so much. By the way, I am actually getting LASIK next month, which tomorrow's like already the 29th, so technically it's already this month. Anyways, I'm getting LASIK, so I am not going to be using contacts, which I am so excited. As you guys know, this is the palette right here. Here's volume 1 and here's volume 2. Like, yeah, there's some similarities in it, but you know, if you're a makeup lover, you're gonna buy it anyways. So I still use this palette to this day, so I still, like, one of my go-tos, love. So, you know, we're just gonna play with this. So I'm just gonna start with this shade right here. It's called Perfectionist. This one right here. Please don't mind my nails. I know they're fucking ugly. Don't ever. By the way, you guys, how are you guys doing? Let's just start there. I haven't been here for a while and I feel like I've missed so freaking much, and I feel like se va así el pinche tiempo. So I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. This is called Stay True Mood. This is a Morphe M433. She pigmented. Period. Damp it on that crease. So we're back. My camera died, but I was only applying the purple shade. I haven't blended it out yet. I'm gonna grab this shade right here. Oh, bitch! See what I just did? Oh my god, it is una pendeja. Ay, estúpida. So I'm just softening out those edges so that we have no harsh lines. I think I'm gonna go in with this purple shade. It's called Not My Journey. You guys, I really said that I wasn't gonna buy this palette when it first came out because I'm like, I really don't know if I need those shades because I have so many palettes with the exact same shades already. But bitch, like, I don't know why, like, I gave in to the palette and I just, like, you know, one day I'm like, you know what, fuck it, like, I'm gonna do it. So bitch, here we are, period. So I am going to cut my crease. I don't know how it's gonna look with this, but I'm gonna go ahead and take my Man, which is this orangey shade, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use this yellow one and this gold one. I have a look in mind and I'm hoping it looks the way I want it to look. I'm gonna go ahead and put this right here. Oh bitch, I'm obsessed with that orangey shade. I'm gonna go ahead and take this yellow right here. This is called No Joke, I hope. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this brush right here without any additional shade on there, and I'm just gonna blend out these edges. But I'm gonna go ahead and use eyeshadow primer on this eye, just because I feel like if you use an eyeshadow primer, it's gonna apply even better. So just saying. I will be right back to show you guys the rest of the face. Alright guys, so I did just put on my lashes. I did some liner, I finished off the other eye and my brows and all that stuff. By the way, you guys, I did poke myself so hard, like with the freaking tweezers. These lashes, I am so excited to let you guys know that I'm going to be releasing my own lash line. It's going to be out very, very soon. It was supposed to be released February, but I wasn't able to finalize any lashes, so obviously they're not going to be released. But I'm shooting for March if it all goes well. They're very, very long, very voluminous, very wispy. So yeah, these are one of the lashes. So you can't purchase these lashes anywhere except for my line. I will let you guys know all the details once I have everything. By the way, you guys, I know that I've been very, very absent here, and I've gotten so many DMs on Instagram asking me where I've been, if I'm going to be back on YouTube. And don't get me wrong, I love doing this, but I do have a full-time job. I am a full-time student. So just working around my schedule has been very, very hard, especially because I'm getting LASIK next month. I'm also going to be in the process very, very soon of buying my own house. I am going to be purchasing a new car tomorrow. So yeah, I've been very, very busy, and so many ups and so many downs, but I am so blessed. 2020 is going to be, you know, a fucking year. So anyways, long story short, this is the palette that I'm going to be giving away. I just really want to give out to like the people that have supported me for a while, who love to watch my channel, and yeah, so here is the giveaway for you guys. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, turn on your post notifications, and comment below when done. Yeah, I hope you guys are excited for this giveaway. Moving on, so I'm gonna be moving on to the face. I'm gonna go ahead and use this Jungle Rock. What is this? Do Me in the Jungle Prep Set and Refresh Setting Spray. I'm gonna go ahead and use this primer. What is this? This primer serum by Wet n Wild. This is a Prime Focus. It is the hydrating one. So as you guys know, my face gets really, really dry in the winter. So I need a very hydrating primer. But this feels really good actually. Moving on to foundation, I'm gonna go ahead and use this dewy Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. I did get the shade. What shade is this? Golden Beige. I think it's a little too, yeah. Bitch, that's white. Oh, but you know what? I didn't pick another one, so this will have to do. I'm going to take my beauty sponge from Morphe and just blend this out. I'm going to go ahead and move on to concealer. I'm going to go ahead and take this e.l.f. Camo concealer. This is the original one. This is in the shade Sand, and I'm just going to conceal. So I'm going to go ahead and use this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Banana Powder. I'm not going to use as much. So I'm going to go ahead and take this bronzer right here. Yes, I did hit pan, and this is my third one. I think it's my third one. This is my third one, bitch. But this is the Wet n Wild Color Icon Bronzer in the shade Sunset Striptease. My cheekbones. I'm gonna go ahead and use this blush right here, just this LOL blush in the front. This is from Shop Miss A. It was $1, so oh bitch. I've been loving blush recently. Oh bitch, you put way too much. Forgot how freaking intense this blush is. You guys, I've been loving blush recently, and like I've been putting it on. No shame. Okay, and I have these right here. These are blush and highlight duos. The blush, I really don't use them as blush because they have glitter or some sort of shimmer in them. They look like this. They're also from Wet n Wild. They're not new, at least I don't think so. I bought them some time ago and I haven't even used them. So I have the shade After Sex Glow and Highlight Bling right here. I'm gonna go ahead and use After Sex Glow. Bitch. Period, they said. So I'm going to go ahead and use this lip liner by KylieCosmetics. This is in the shade KokoK. So I have these 3 glosses right here by Bretman Rock. These are the Wet n Wild collection he did with them. So, period. And I have the shade Ferocity, Fearless, and Freaky. I'm blind as fuck, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and use this nude one just because it's going to, you know, blend in with this look. So... ooh. They don't have a scent. You don't see a pigment. Last thing is to set the face. I'm gonna go ahead and still use the same setting spray. This is a completed look, you guys. I am so obsessed with it. Love the glosses, loved the shadows. I really liked the foundation. I can't say I love it just yet because I just applied it maybe like an hour ago, so I'm not gonna say that I love it. The setting spray, it smells just like this coconut water. I really enjoyed the primer. I didn't think I was gonna like it, but bitch, so far it's really good. I loved the highlight, bitch. The glosses are really good. I feel like with every collection that Bretman comes out with and JACLYN, I'm always buying them. Like, even though I'm like, I'm not gonna buy them, I'm not gonna buy them, what the fuck do? I buy them. Make sure to enter the giveaway, you guys. Don't forget, it ends in 2 weeks from now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you guys get notified whenever it is that I post a video. And I will see you guys hopefully next Thursday. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.